Hello, Greg Veach here. We're going to talk today about your blog, how to make posts to your blog. Let's start by getting back there. We go to our jcschools.com homepage, to Departments, to Information Services. Go down to JCCSD Blogs, and yes, you're at the Blogs page. At the bottom, you'll see all of the newest blogs, everything that's been updated and will show up on this list. All the blogs in our district. Let's log in. You remember how to do that. We put in our district username and our district password. This will take us to our blogs. And this is your dashboard. Now, I have more than one blog, and you can too. But let me go to my blog that I just made for training purposes called Training with Technology. I also have one that I'm working on for all of you called Assistive Technology in Education. We click on Dashboard, you're taken to a screen that looks like this. On the left side of the screen are all of the things you can do to your blog. You can make a post, add media, put in links to favorite places, create designated pages for information. But today we're going to do two things, and that is posts and your blog's appearance. When you click on this little arrow, you have some choices for how your blog will look. Let's pick theme. Your blog, by default, is given this look. A big, heavy blue top bar with your title and information. It's called, what theme is that now? That's called something. Well, we'll get to it later. If you'd like to change it, all you have to do is preview your blog in a different way. For instance, we can pick Switch Royal by clicking on Preview. This is a preview screen of my training technology blog with this theme. They have a sample post called Hello World, and you'll have one too. If you don't like that one, look at a different one. Let's preview this one. That's pretty techy. That might be nice. For now, let's just keep the default look. Here we go. Let's go to posts. Let's make your first post. When you click on posts, you can edit them, you can add a new, you can put tags, which are kind of like labels on folders. It kind of helps people find you, and you can create categories. Right now, I have one post that was made for me, and so do you. We're going to edit that. All right? When you edit a post, you get to make its title. I don't really like this one, so let's change it. About welcome. Let's see. Welcome to my blog. All right. I don't want a period there. Put an exclamation point. The contents of your blog are right here. We can write some more here, and let's do that now. All right. We'll get rid of what's there, and I'll say this blog is dedicated to teaching you crazy, cool stuff. Okay? If you want to find out what that looks like, all we need to do is preview the changes. So now, here's my blog. It has our beautiful maroon color, not blue. And welcome to my blog. This blog is dedicated to teaching you crazy stuff. Great. Let's go back to the dashboard, and let's add in here a picture. And that's something that's nice to do also. Let's put a picture right above that. All right. Don't mind the high school announcements behind me. It's the end of the school day. Let's add pictures. Here it is, add media. When you hover your cursor over the first icon, it says add image. Also, you can add other media like a video, a file attachment, a Word document. Let's right now get an image. So when we click on that, this is what shows up. Okay, if we clicked on that add image, we get this window for adding an image. Do you want to add it from your computer, from your URL, a website, or a library, a media library? See, once you add from your computer or the internet, those things are saved in a library, so you don't have to do that again. You can choose the pictures in the future. Let's go from the computer. Select Files. I'm going to look at my desktop for right now. And I know I have something here about tech support. So here it is. I'm going to add that one. Okay, there's a picture of it. It's named Tech Support. You can also add a caption. Technology training. And just like a newspaper, there's a caption with the photo. You can also add a description. Computer and Earth. You don't have to do this, by the way. Let's capitalize that. You don't have to. And then you get another choice where you can have it center, left, full, large, small, thumbnail. I'm going to leave that alone. Okay? Now I'm going to insert into my post. And now we can take a look at it in our preview button. Remember that one? Let's take a look at it. Hello world, there's a picture, and there's some information. And that's it. You can have fun with your posts, play with it a little bit more, and see what happens. Don't forget, when you make your changes, update the post. Come back next time. We'll be learning more about the media and media library. See you next time.